Look what I found! A Thomas Minis bag!
We all have our own minis.
What?
Hey, not me, Wizard Funling.
Whoa! What is this?
I believe it's a Thomas Minis tower.
Come on, Thomas, why have we stopped?
We found a Thomas Minis tower!
Really? Oh yes, how spectacular. Did someone say Thomas Minis? Because I found a Thomas Minis surprise bag earlier.
Ooh, open it!
Alright then. Huh. Let's see who's in here. Ah, it's Bash. Or is it Dash?
That's Bash.
Yes, I knew that. I found a Thomas Mini bag too.
Who's inside?
Let's see. It's Alien Iron Bert. Oh, he looks absolutely fantastic.
Let's see them go round the tower.
Amazing! Fantastic! Ooh, let's see the other track. Wow! Now I wish I had a mini of my own.
There you are, dear. I have a surprise for you.
What? Oh, thank you, dear. Let's open it together. Can you see it?
Yes, almost got it.
Who is it?
I can't tell yet.
There. Oh, it's just a Diesel 10. What's going on? Why have we stopped?
Funling, can you think of a competition we can have using this Thomas Minis tower?
Maybe we can come up with something using an item that's inside Clarabelle. Can we do anything with this frying pan? No. What about a flipper? No. Brussels sprout? Ooh, those are very random items. Oh, I know! There! Whoever's mini can push this Brussels sprout the farthest wins! Yes! Sounds good!
Can I take part too?
Of course!
Can we take part as well? We all have our own minis.
Yes, of course! Now let's start.
Thomas up first. Not bad. Good start. Diesel 10 next. Not great. Sorry.
Yuck, Diesel 10.
I expected you to go farther.
Bash next. Yes, that's beaten Thomas's record. Well done. Alien Iron Bert. Oh, it's not far enough. But it's very impressive that you landed on your wheels. Bertie now. Oh, that's not very good, Bertie. Unlucky. Can James do better? Oh yes, that's brilliant! You're in the lead now. Rocket Spencer. It's very good, but it's not far enough. Close one. So, can Pirate Salty beat James's record? Let's see. No, it's not far enough, which means...
James is the winner! As a reward, please take this frying pan and flipper. Well done. Blub, 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 blub. Wait, what's that? Ah, what is that? Got one, Tom! Go, go, go! Hey, Rascal Funling, come back with my potion! We've got a potion! Let's test it out, Tom! Oh, don't worry. Whatever it does, the effect will wear off eventually. Ooh, it shrinks things! Oh, this'll be fun!
Okay, Funlings, what do you want to do today?
Well, there's a perfectly good-looking tunnel over there that we can make echoes in.
Haha, okay, Funlings.
Blub, 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 blub. Wait, what's that? Ah, what is that? Go, Thomas, go! What is it?
What did you Funlings find in that tunnel?
It's a Thomas Minis bag.
Oh, open it!
Okay. I wonder what's inside. Ah, it's Bertie.
Phew, thanks for saving me.
Saving you? From what?
From Rascal Funling.
Oh, what's he up to now?
He found a shrinking potion. That's why I'm so small.
Hello, Thomas. Hooyah!
Uh-oh.
No one can stop me from shrinking everyone. Well, except you've just run out of shrinking potion. What? Have I? Oh yeah. Uh-oh. Run! I don't think he'll be a problem anymore.
No, but he shrank 2 other engines.
Oh, we can find them. Hey, Wizard Funling. Yes? Have you seen any really small trains? I did find this Thomas Minis bag earlier. Don't ask why it's a little bit on fire though. Here you go. Thanks. Oh, it's Gordon. Just one more train left to save now. Hello, Sir Funling the Brave. Have you seen any really small trains? Yes, actually, one of my crocodiles keeps trying to give me a Thomas Minis bag. Thank you, Snappy. That'll be all. Please may I open it? Yes, of course. Yay! Ooh, it's stuck. Thanks, Sir Funling. No problem. There we go. That's all the small engines saved. Is there something we could do with them while they're small? Oh, I know exactly what we can do. Welcome to this Thomas Mini Carnival Spiral Race. 2 trains will race down the spirals, and whoever crosses the finish line first wins. Okay, let's start racing.
Thomas versus Bertie up first.
Go!
Thomas wins! You are just too fast for Bertie, but don't worry Bertie, you'll get the chance to finish third. And Gordon versus Duck.
Go!
It's close! Oh, and Gordon has edged it! Well done Gordon, unlucky Duck.
Okay, so let's see who will come third and fourth between Bertie and Duck.
Go!
Look at Duck go! And he wins! Well done Duck, so you come third.
But now, let's see who will win the whole competition between Thomas and Gordon.
Go!
So close, and... Oh, Thomas has reached the finish first!
Well done, Thomas. Oh, and you're all back to your regular size. That was good timing.
And there we go. That's the last of the fuel trucks. Oh, I don't like working in the diesel works. Hold on. What's that? It's a Thomas Minis bag. Oh, nice. Looks like working in the diesel works today was a good thing in the end. Hey, Tom Moss, I saw that first. Stop, Tom, stop. Hey! That won't stop me. Give me back my minis bag. Tom! Oh, this is getting in the way. Right. Oh, where did Tom go? Oh, I lost him. Whoa! Tom attached the jet to me! Ah! Someone help! I can't stop! Whoa!
Hey, Thomas, slow down.
I can't!
Oh, I see. I'll slow you down then.
Ah, phew! Thanks for stopping me.
That's all right. Why was the jet attached to you?
It was Tom Moss. He took my minis bag.
I see. Mini, you say?
Yeah, what?
Hey, not me, Wizard Funling. Your voice changed too. Change me back. Oh, fine.
Ah, right. You need to help me catch Tom.
Well, there you go.
Yes, and he left the minis bag behind. Hey, what's this? The minis bag? It's mine! Oh no, it isn't. Tom took that from me. No, it's mine. No, it isn't. Yes, it is.
Okay, you two. We can settle this with a Wizard Funling Challenge. Okay, each engine will need their own mini.
Oh nice, mine is awesome. Hey, why does mine look like a ghost?
Don't complain, Diesel. Now then, whoever can push their mini down this slope the farthest wins the mini bag. Best 2 out of 3.
Okay, you're on, Thomas.
Thomas is up first. Oh dear, that was rubbish. Surely Diesel can beat that. Yes, he can. So Diesel is 1-0 up. Thomas to go again. Oh, that's much better, Thomas. Can Diesel beat that again? No, he can't. He's only just made it to the bottom of the hill. So, it's all down to this third and final try. Oh, very nice, Thomas. Very nice. Can Diesel do better? Oh, he can! That's a remarkable distance.
Yes, I win!
Yeah, Diesel is the winner of this Wizard Funding Challenge and wins the Thomas Minis bag.
Yes, haha, good game, Thomas. Now then, where's my prize? Thomas took it back! No, my minis bag! Oh, I have an idea. I'll have to push this mini really far for my plan to work. Yes, I did it! Here you go, Diesel. You did win the challenge fair and square. Thanks, Thomas. And it actually is mine. I left it in the Diesel Works this morning. Ah, yes. That's where I found it.
Oh, just open it, Diesel.
Okay. Oh, it's Toby. Very nice.
Hi, Gordon.
Hello, Hong Mei.
Wow, Gordon is a big engine. I wish I was as big as him. Then I'd be the most useful engine on Sodor.
Hong Mei, look what I found. A Thomas Minis bag.
Oh wow, let's open it.
Yeah.
Uh-oh,
Oh no, Thomas took it. We need to get it back.
I would help, but I'm too small to do anything useful.
Don't worry, Hong Mei, I'll get it back. Hey Tom, stop! Give that back. Ooh. Ugh, I'm covered in paint.
He's coming this way. I'll grab the mini bag. Oh, I'm too small. I couldn't get the bag off him.
Never mind, I need to clean myself up.
How can we rescue that bag from Tom?
Maybe I can help. Yeah. Oh, it missed him. Uh-oh, it's coming back this way.
Well, that didn't work. What else could we do?
Oh, I can get it back. By pretending to be a leopard. Tom will run away and I'll grab the bag. Hey, Tom. Hurrah! No, why are you laughing? Ah, he has a real leopard. Run!
Oh dear, does anyone else have any ideas?
Yeah, the Funding Express is really fast, so I'll zoom past Tom and rescue the bag. Here we go. Got it! I did it! Woohoo! Oops. I gave it back to him. Huh, and he dropped a banana on the track. Oh well, I'll get the bag back again. Whoa! Phew. Oh, that banana made me crash.
Oh no, Tom's entering the diesel works.
We can help! Yeah! Come here, Tom! Can you go this way? Oh, I missed it. Splatter, come on, where are you? I'm over here!
Oh, he got away.
Oh, nobody can get the mini bag back. I guess I may as well try too, but I think I'm too small. He hasn't noticed me.
Phew.
Yes, I did it.
Did what?
I rescued the Thomas mini bag. Being small actually helped me because Tom didn't see me.
Well done, Hong Mei. You did it. See, being small has its benefits.
We think we saw Tom go to the beach with the bag!
Oh, you've got it.
Well done. So, who's inside?
Let's open it. It's Millie. Oh, I'm tiny. Don't worry about that, Millie. As I've learnt today, being small is awesome.